What we're showing you here is a customized hanger for the rack for a front porch that people are adding on to their house. It's a brick house, and because it's brick and with the overhang sticking out as far as it did, the carpenter didn't know how to build the rack down into the brick. Well, I laid brick 60 years ago and I can figure out how to do that type thing. And he measured on the job and realized that the double plate, which would be easy to fasten to, was 18 inches from where the bottom of his rack would have to be. So he can pre-drill holes offset here into the double plate, because going down in the brick, I told him how to take some of the brick out, slide this hanger in place, and then he can actually handle all of the weight of that rack up here on this double plate, because you know where the rack's got to go. You don't know whether you're going to hit any studs in the house. More than likely, he might catch one, but you don't know where he's going to catch it. If he does, he can just pre-drill it and put a bolt there too. So this is what we have designed for him, and he wanted it short enough to where it didn't stick out past the brick, because he's going to fill this in when he puts in a wooden LVL to make the rack out of. So we made it out of one of our custom hangers that we normally sell people when we're going to put a porch on the back of the house, or they're going to put brick around it. We show them how to use our custom made hangers to be able to do that. And we got a hanger also that's made to where you can bolt it to the house, brick around it, and then fasten the deck right on to the front of it. So that's why we call it Metwood Building Solutions. You got a problem, I got the solution.